This is the solution video for section 7.3, problem number 32. All right, so let's take a look here. I have the integral from 1 to 2 of 5 to the negative 2x dx. All right, so we're going to need a u substitution here. So u is going to equal negative 2x. All right, so that means I have the integral from x equals 1 to x equals 2 of 5 to the u dx. All right, so now I need to figure out what du is. Du is the derivative of negative 2x, so negative 2 dx. All right, and so that means that I need a negative 2 with the dx and a negative 1/2 on the outside. So I have negative 1/2 integral of 5 to the u du. All right, now what about the limits? X equals 1, x equals 2. So now I need to figure out what is u when x equals 2. So that would be negative 2 times 2. So I get negative 4. So the upper limit is negative 4. Then what is u when x is equal to 1? So negative 2 times 1. So I get negative 2. So now I have negative 1/2 integral from negative 2 to negative 4 of 5 to the u du. All right, so negative 1/2 integral of 5 to the u. That would be 5 to the u over the natural log of 5, and then evaluate from negative 2 to negative 4. All right, and so now I have negative 1/2 5 to the u, so 5 to the negative 4th divided by the natural log of 5, minus negative 1/2 5 to the negative 2nd over the natural log of 2. All right, and so that is my value, and now I just need to work on simplifying that to match it up to my answer. All right. All right, so here I've got negative 1/2, 5 to the negative 4th. That would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, right? So 5 times 5 is 25, times another 5 is 125, times another 5 is 625. All right, so I'm going to have negative 1 over 2 times 625, right? Because this 5 to the negative 4th is it's 5 to the negative 4, so it puts the 625 in the denominator, and then I have the natural log of 5. All right, and then I have minus, this should be minus a negative 1/2, so that should actually become a plus 1 over 2 times 5 to the negative 2nd, which would be 5 times 25 times the natural log of 2. All right. And so now all I need to do is combine my like terms. Now, my like terms here, or sorry, my common denominator, this should not be the natural log of 2. That should be the natural log of 5. I apologize for that. That should be the natural log of 5. All right, and so now I need a common denominator, right? So that means I'm going to have to multiply the denominator here by uh, let's see, this has a 1/2, 625, 25, so I need to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 25, right? And so I do that, right? So now my common denominator is 2 times 625 times the natural log of 5. This becomes negative 1 plus 25, so that gives me 24. And if that's 24, then that can reduce with that to become a 12. And so that becomes 12 over 625 times the natural log of 5. And so that is my end result.